Hey, Charlie here from Stellar Roofing. Just want to give a quick shout out to Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture and tell you a little bit about our experience with them. So a few months back, we were moving into our new building. We had a couple new conference rooms and we were really in the market for some new conference tables. So I started poking around online and I stumbled upon this great company. And I tell you what, I'm so happy that we found them. We went with them, just everything from start to finish, the experience. You can see here the product. Not only did the tables come out absolutely amazing, I couldn't be happier with how they came out, but also the experience. Truly, from start to finish, white glove treatment, the entire thing. To give you a couple examples, when they were ready to actually pick out the lumber and they went to the lumber yard, our representative from the company was calling and FaceTiming me and showing me the different slabs and be like, hey, you know, this is a beautiful slab. I think this one will work, this one will work. Send me pictures and actually FaceTime me from so I was able, you know, hundreds of miles away, actually pick out the slabs and the lugs that we want to use for the table. When we got to the next step, they actually sent the resin samples for us. In a day and age where customer service is really a dying art, you know, Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture really, they nailed it. They hit the mark. It was an amazing customer service experience and an absolutely amazing product. So, hey, from Charlie here at Stellar Roofing, I want to say, you know, thank you to them for providing such a great product and experience. And anybody in the market for a table, I highly recommend that they use them. Give them a shout. Again, Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture. Give them a call for all your needs.